class 170 R2R ladder type DAC explanation. This is actually not necessary to write in examination, but it is good if you know this, how actually that weighted sum happens. See, this is the circuit. Okay, you can see here ground, 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 ground. Hence, it's like ladder here. Okay, now here the op amp is here now. This is ground. Okay, what input you get here? Okay, that is what you will get output here, because this current what flows here, op amp will take zero current, almost zero current. So that current will go to through the feedback resistance. So drop in the feedback resistance is the output, because op amp is virtually grounded. You know that. Okay, so this voltage will be almost equal to this volt, means identical voltages, because the difference between these two will be very small. Hence, this is called as virtual ground. So output will be from here to here, means here to here, means drop across R, means what current flows here, it will not take any current, because op amp has infinite input impedance. So all current will flow here. Now we have to measure how much current flows here to get the output. Okay, so this circuit you can see here. Now these 4 points will be connected either to the V reference or to the ground. Okay, see here, if this is bit 1, then this will be connected to V reference. V ref, not V reference means here. This will be connected to the op amp, means V reference can flow through the resistances. Else it will be connected to ground. Okay, so this circuit is shown here. Now suppose say for example say, let us say the input is 1000, means let us try only for one MSB now. That means this will be connected to 1 here. Okay, this will be connected to 1 here. All these things are connected to 0, 0, 0, 0. So this will be grounded. This will be connected to the op amp. Okay, these are as it is. So circuit will be reduced to like this. Okay, see here, this is the analog voltage. Okay, now this will be V reference. V reference will be coming to the op amp node. This is next point, this is next, this is next. Okay, you can see here, see V reference 2R to the op amp, V reference 2R to the op amp. Okay, next bit 2, bit 2. Okay, it is to the V reference connection is R and 2R, and this will go to ground. See here, this connection will be second one, R and 2R, then it will go to ground. Okay, so this point N3, it has 2R towards ground and R towards the next node. 2R to the ground and R to the next node, first node. Next here, this will be this node. Now we will take B, B0, B1, B2, B3, B1 we will take. B3 and B2 are over now. B1. It has R and 2R. R is towards the other node, V reference node, towards V reference node, and 2R to the ground. third one, here this node, third node, okay, R is towards the other node, V towards V reference node. This is the V reference point, okay, and 2 are to a ground. Similarly, next one, okay. So circuit will be reduced like this, provided the digital input is 1000. Okay. Sometimes you write B4, B3, B2, B1. Sometimes B3, B2, B1, B naught, as you like. Now, see, let us assume that, okay, this is 1, we have assumed. Now, what will happen here is, this 2R, 2R are in parallel now here. You can see 2R, 2R are in parallel. So, you will get R. So, this can be reduced like this, R. From N1, you have only single resistance R to the ground. Okay. And R to the right side. Okay. Now these two are in series addition. So add R and R. You'll get again 2R. Okay. Again 2R, 2R in parallel. We get R as equivalent resistance. Again R and R in series. Add 2R. Again 2R and 2R in parallel. So you get R. Again R and R in series. So finally it becomes 2R here, 2R here. Okay, it becomes like this, 2R here, 2R here. Now if you see here, suppose say here is, it is V reference is given. Okay, how much current will flow here? Okay, here this is 2R, here it is 2R. Okay, so here the voltage will be, if this is say VR, here 2R, 2R. So 50% here, 50% here. So here we will get 50% of the voltage. That means the weightage voltage appearing here due to bit 1 high at this particular point, that is MSB, we will get 50% weightage. VA will be equal to 50% of VR. Okay. Now, using superposition theorem for all these 4 bits, okay, you will get next as, if you make say this as VR, this as 1 and this as 0 now say, okay, B2, let us take LSB. This is MSB, next MSB. Okay, here it is, kindly note that here B1 is MSB, B2 is, this is LSB. Okay, while writing here I have taken as it as a reverse. So this is this is B1. Now this is high. Okay, now what happens is, this will be high, say this will be 0 now, grounded. Okay, so here this will be equal to R and R in parallel. So this will become, say 2R, 2R in parallel. So this will become R here. Okay. Now this will reduce like this here. Okay. So what will happen is, here you will get 50%. Okay. So here what you have got 50%. Now here you will get 50%. Now 2R, 2R. Okay. Here it is VR. Okay. Say 8 or 50, 16 volts V reference. So here, now this also is grounded. Say, okay. Now if you see here, here you will get 50%. Okay, that I will explain in the class. Now I have to draw in a paper. This I have taken from PC. I will explain in the class or write in a piece of paper in the and tell in the next class. Otherwise, you can write just this sentence. VA will be equal to V reference by 2 means 50% of VR. Then 25%, 2 to the power of 2. Next 2 to the power of 3, like this. Right. Thank you very much.